Who's reputed to walk the streets of Whitechapel, Jack? I saw you, Jack. Hiding in the shadows. Watching them. We long for the feel of the blade slipping beneath the flesh of another. I planted a seed. Do you smell the blood?
We place him inside a chamber so we can extract his life. And we give it to your wife.
A group of people can make a big difference. Big Brothers is a non-profit organization that supports children by placing them with positive adult role models that provide guidance and support, no matter where you are. What matters is that you can help. Listen Brother is a project that brings artists together from all over the world in a compilation album that helps to give children a voice. Get this CD and be a part of this unique project. So ask yourself, just for a moment, if you know someone who could be a great big brother.